Bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish with Liliana. Today we're going to look at the consonant blend FL. And together with the vowels, it sounds like fla, fle, flee, flo, flu. Let's try them again. Make sure you're also repeating fla, fle, flee, flo, flu. And let's look at a few sentences. Las, L-A, la, A-S, as. So all together is las. Flo, we just saw that F-L-O sounds like flo. R-E-S, res, flores. Son, S-O-N. C-O, co, L-O, lo. R-I, ri. D-A-S, das. Coloridas. This is a longer word, but if you follow the sounds, you'll get it. Las flores son coloridas. Las flores son coloridas, and it means the flowers are colorful. La, fla, F-L-A sounds like fla. Then we have U, T-A, ta, flauta. Es, de, fla, V-I-V-O, Flavio. La flauta es de Flavio. La flauta es de Flavio. And it means the flute belongs to Flavio. Alright, so this is not so bad. Just make sure you're repeating and practicing your pronunciation. Let's look at the F-or combination. And together with the vowels, it's going to sound like fra, fre, free, fro, fru. Let's repeat them again. Fra, fre, free, fro, fru. Tengo, we've seen this word before. Frío. Tengo frío. Tengo frío means I'm cold. Mi, M-E. Fru, F or U sounds like fru. T-A, ta. Fruta. And then we have a longer word, but we're going to break down the syllables. F-A, fa, B-O, bo, R-I, ri, T-A, ta. Favorita, favorita. Son, las, fre, F or E sounds like fre, sas, fresas. Mi fruta favorita son las fresas. Mi fruta favorita son las fresas, and it means my favorite fruit or strawberries. And again, make sure you're repeating and practicing. I know the or sound is a little bit challenging, but as long as you're practicing, you will get it. Make sure you're watching the other classes if you haven't seen them. The links are going to be at the description. We've looked at the entire Spanish alphabet and we've reviewed all of the sounds that the letters make. So by the end of this course, you should be able to read in Spanish as long as you're learning all of the sounds. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for joining me and see you next time.